Well, the hearing in the civil suit against Casey Anthony never made it to a courtroom today, but there were still fireworks. Morgan & Morgan, the firm representing a woman named Zenaida Fernandez-Gonzalez, wants to depose Casey Anthony, and Anthony's legal team wants to stop it. Holly Bristow live in the newsroom now. Holly, what happened?
Well, Mike, Judge Jose Rodriguez put both attorneys on both sides in their places, saying that the personal attacks would need to be tolerated. There were some going back and forth in some legal documents. And as for the filings for today's hearing, he said that those were inappropriate, that it was a matter that needed to be addressed in a formal courtroom, not basically in a conference room.
Stuffed in a small conference room, Judge Jose Rodriguez quickly made it known to both Casey Anthony's and Zenaida Fernandez-Gonzalez's attorneys that he wasn't happy with them.
Focus on the law, not on personal facts or issues.
Judge Rodriguez is talking about personal jabs made by opposing counsel in court documents. He also made it known that this is not the place to argue the law about possible depositions. Later this week, the two sides will argue if Gonzalez's lawyers should be able to take sworn statements and ask Casey Anthony questions before her murder case is tried. Keith Mitnick represents Gonzalez.
We want to clear her name as soon as we can. Delay means more time with her reputation.
Gonzalez alleges Casey Anthony destroyed her good name when she said a nanny by the same name kidnapped her child. The defense has made it clear this is not the Zenaida who Casey says took Kaylee. They say this is not the time for Casey to be talking.
We hope that the judge acknowledges that Miss Anthony does have her Fifth Amendment right to remain silent, even though it is a civil matter.
Which brings up another argument that Judge Rodriguez will have to settle.
She filed a lawsuit, a counterclaim back against our client, against Ms. Gonzalez, and she cannot, under the law, I would suggest, do that. And it's called sword and shield. You cannot use the shield of the Fifth Amendment while using it as a sword in civil litigation when you're bringing an action yourself.
Now, Judge Rodriguez will hear from Zenaida Fernandez-Gonzalez's attorney and Casey Anthony's attorneys in his courtroom at 11 o'clock this Thursday. Now, we should find out if he will grant a stay on this civil case. And basically, if that happens, that means that they will not hear the civil case until after Casey's murder case goes to trial. Right now, Casey is scheduled for depositions with Gonzalez's attorneys Monday at 10 o'clock. Live in the newsroom, Holly Bristow, Fox at 5.
Now, the first-degree murder case against Casey Anthony will be in court next week. A pretrial hearing is set for January 15th. A judge could set a trial date at that time. Many